How's it been, everyone? I am Mason Subi here, and welcome back to my vlog. And I know some of you may heard that I'm not gonna do Comic-Con vlogging in Queensland anymore, but then I decided to get back to it. So, and guess what? The good news is that I'm going to the Gold Coast Supanova. Yes. So today is Tuesday. Oh, not Tuesday. I mean Wednesday. Sorry, Wednesday. Tuesday was like yesterday already. Yeah, today's Wednesday. Wednesday 9th. Yes, today is Wednesday the 9th of April. Just had lunch and I'm just like feeling my stomach ache is killing me a little bit, but that's okay. But at the moment, before I'm gonna continue packing on, I'm gonna be heading to the movies to see Super Mario Galaxy, which I'm not gonna bring you guys to the cinema with me because yeah, I feel like bringing up videoing while just going to the cinema just makes kind of feel awkward. But yeah, it's just today I'm going to see Super Mario Galaxy in about 2 o'clock. Well, like the movie starts at 2:05, so I gotta be there before 2:05. But in the meantime, while I am waiting for the time to get ready, well, I've already got ready myself because I'm not wearing any casual. But yeah, just show you guys what I packed so far for Goldnova. So here's everything that I'm packing so far. I already got my wet backpack ready, which I've already made some decorations for my wet backpack. I put my Thor hammer and my Iron Man Infinity Gauntlet and the little Iron Man, the little key lanyard. I forgot what you call it, but yeah. My workmate gave me this, and as well as my auntie from Hong Kong gave me these two as well, and some of the other things as well. And I couldn't fit in all the rest, and so I just thought I'd put 3 in there. And yeah, I got my clothes for Movie Well, which I am going to be going there in Friday the 10th. Yes, Friday the 10th. I got my Batman hat, I got Superman shirt, and I got jeans, and I got shorts just in case if I ever want to choose which pants I want to wear. Because in case you didn't know, back when I was a kid, I've been to Movie Well like 15 years ago. It was like 2011, so I'll pop it on the screen right there. I wear like a Superman shirt and a black hat and a short. So yeah, I thought like, yeah, why not just recreate the outfit that I wore after 15 years ago. I haven't been to Movie World. I got my champion bag just in case, and yes, got my face shell lenses, which I already got my cosplay sorted out, which I'm bringing my black suit and red and blue suit. Kind of funny that I was gonna bring Batman for Saturday for Goldnova, but then my emblem didn't arrive, so I just thought maybe why not I just bring my black suit and red and blue suit, my hybrid Raimi X Classic suit. So yeah, I got my hankies, and yeah, I got my underwear and socks. So yeah, that's everything I packed so far. I got about an hour left till I head to the movies soon, but in the meantime, I want to talk about how I've been doing lately. So far I'm doing okay. As usual, I've been working so hard and it was really like super stressful. And I couldn't do much any videos, like gaming videos, because I get so tired every afternoon. But now I'm on school holidays right now, which is really exciting. Woohoo! I work at a school, but I'm not gonna tell you which school I'm actually in. But I'm a school cleaner. That I've been cleaning like a lot lately around the classrooms, and it's like I gotta try to clean it as possible. And yeah, it's been crazy as heck. So I've been working for about like nearly 6 years now, and I'm just about to get a new job recently. I'm not gonna tell you which another job I'm gonna be working, but yeah, I'm gonna apply for a second job as I can. I just like dropped in my resume already, and hopefully if they will let me in, they will let me in. Now I'll give you guys a little room tour. Well, not like a room tour, but just to show you what I've decorated my room so far. So I got the Amazing Spider-Man, my favorite Andrew Garfield. I got Moon Knight, Wolverine, Brown Suit, and The Thing. And yeah, Human Torch is not joining my new Avengers. I wanted to create my very own new Avengers, and like, cause like Moon Knight, he joins the West Coast Avengers from the comics, which I have not read, but yeah. And for Spider-Man, Wolverine, and The Thing, they joined the new Avengers team. So I thought maybe I'll put in my new Avengers team. And kind of funny, I was thinking of assembling Human Torch to join my very own new Avengers, but you can't. I just figured that you can't have 2 Fantastic Fours on the new Avengers team, so you only have to bring 1 member, which is The Thing. that he joins the new Avengers from the comics. Sorry, Johnny. And yes, I got my other figures and figurines, especially MODOK with my pop figures. And yeah, my Marvel LED. And yeah, 3 Spider-Man figures right here. And yeah, some my Wolverine pop figure right here. And my No Way Home setup pop figure, which is right here. Well, Kiana, sorry, my cousin Kiana, she brought me this for my birthday, a couple years ago, and so I had to try, collect all the setup from the No Way Home, setup, and so I completed them all. So thank God I didn't have to buy any more. And yeah, I got my Iron Man, figure right here. I got it from my birthday last year. Well, not my birthday, but like I got for my early birthday while I'm in Brisbane. So yeah, and yeah, I got Venom, and yeah, kind of funny. Carnage just laying down because Carnage just defeated by Venom already. Zach actually gave me this from Melbourne Oz Comic Con Christmas edition in 2024 when we head to the hotel. It was like really sweet of him that he bought me the Venom versus Carnage setup, but kind of funny. The reason why Carnage is down is because he hasn't got no magnets. He hasn't got no magnets on his foot. Venom has like magnets on the bottom of his foot because it has like a magnets on the circle things. Yeah, and then you have to like some sort of connect them together and yeah, make the really cool setup like this. And recently I just set up my new Marvel Heroes poster right here. Mom actually brought me this from Facebook, and when she showed me it, and she was like, "Do you want one?" And I was like, "Yeah, I might as well get it, hang it in my room." But yeah, I hang this in my room. It looks kind of cool. It just like brings out the nostalgic life back, and yeah, it's great, and I love it. And yeah, in case you all didn't know, I did a GCPD wanted poster at Goldnova last year. Look at me. And kind of funny that me, Spider-Man, didn't turn this way, didn't face that way, and I had to still face front, which kind of weird. I should have done that, but yeah, it looks cool anyway. And last but not least, my celeb photos. I finally hanged my favorite actors from Superman and Lois, Tyler Hoechlin from Goldnova that I met last year, and Alex Garfin, which is I met him at Brisbane Supanova last year. So yeah, my good setup. And yes, oh of course, this is my Robert Downey Jr. Art gallery that I painted in school before. And I gotta say I'm not really good at painting, but yeah, I really try my best to how it looks for now. And so yeah, and kind of funny that Avengers Doomsday is coming up, and I had to paint it like green. It was like in around 2019 that I painted this art gallery. So yeah, that's my Robert Downey Jr. art gallery because he's my idol, always my idol, my favorite Iron Man. And now for my DC setup, I got everything Batman on top. I got my Batman Arkham Knight statue, which is right here. I apologize if you guys are seeing a terrible lighting because of the curtain. I might like pull my curtain up a little bit. Is it too bright? Yeah, that's too bright. Yeah, I'll put it down. Alright, so yeah, this is my Batman setup up top. And yeah, I got my old toy Superman Returns. I got this like a few years ago, which is like really old. So yeah, I mean, it's not like that kind of gross or anything, but yeah, it's still clean. Yeah, it's just standing there. I got like the 2023 The Flash Batman, which is, I used to wear like a black belt that I cosplay as a Batman Black Hybrid from when I first wear it to PAX. And I got Batman Arkham Knight suit right here, and I got the animated series Robin, which is Tim Drake, and Batman, and the animated series Superman at the back. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, if I can. Yeah, there it is. I got that from Movie World 15 years ago as well. Yeah, it's like still good. And yeah, everything. And yes, my second DC setup right here is I'm trying to assemble my my very own Justice League of America, like mid 2000s and like late 2010s or something. But yeah, I got Batman Begins, I got The Flash, and I got Green Lantern. Yeah, I wanted to like get like a Green Lantern 2011 Ryan Reynolds Green Lantern, but then McFarlane Toys didn't make one yet. Don't think I'll ever make one because, like I said, I wanted to create my very own Justice League of America mid-2000s setup, like what I used to watch from one of the fan DC trailers. And yeah, so trying to set up everything, and everything looked good. And yeah, everything, I got my trophy, batarangs, and of course books, PS5 controller, Marvel books, and my suits that I'm gonna sell. I'm selling like 2 suits as well, like for my Spider-Man suits, because I hardly wear them anymore. But yeah, and my PS5 and PC setup that I usually game for gaming. Yeah, I know it looks dusty right now, but yeah, I'm gonna clean it soon. But yeah, this is what I do, always do, ladies and gentlemen. Gaming, that's my style. Alright, now time is 1:42 p.m. Before the movie starts. I just parked where I just parked for now. You could have like seen there was like so many cars parked. But yes, this is me filming after, before, not after, before Super Mario Galaxy. So I'll be right back and tell you how the movie was, and not to spoil anything. Alright guys, now the movie is finished, just got out, and holy cow, it was like so cool and hilarious. Like, it was actually good than the first Mario, but I still love the first Mario movie. I'm not gonna spoil a thing, but overall it was so good. Like, it's good to see Bowser and yeah, and all the other new characters that you see or may have not seen in the second movie yet. So highly recommend you should check it out. It's so good. And yeah, I'm about to walk back home right now, and I'm going to pack everything as I can, and everything should be good. Don't know what I'm gonna do next before I pack, but yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, I'm at the back right now, just chilling with my dog Bruno. Say hi, Bruno. Hey. He was in my last vlog like a few years ago. It was like nearly 20, oh no, not 20, 5 years ago actually. Yeah, that's Bruno, my dog. In case some of the new viewers are watching, this is my dog Bruno. Say hi. Oh. He likes to like have a cuddle with me and stuff, but I always pat him for fun. Say hey, hey buddy. Wait, say hey vlog, hey vlog. Yeah, he just gets a little excited a little bit when he sees new guests, and yeah, anyway. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing right now. It's kind of an appropriate one to show you what he's actually doing to me. And I always feed him sometimes, all the time. No, not sometimes, like all the time, like every afternoon at like 5. And so he's gonna, okay, all right, you don't have to whack your tail in my crotch, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna miss you, buddy. You'll be good for me while I'm gone, okay? You'll be good for my stepdad while I'm gone too, okay? Yeah, you'll be a good boy. You'll be a good boy, because I know you'll be a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Alright, just set all my clothes. Got my hoodie in case it's cold. Yeah, got my going out clothes just in case we ever go out to dinner. Well, Opticon dinner like Zach did last year. And we got my shorts in case I need them. And I have clothes, just random clothes, in case we're not doing anything else. And yeah, for on the way back home. So I got like, I got my clothes sorted out. So I got my clothes sorted out. So that would be Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Yeah. I already got my clothes for tomorrow right here, which I'm wearing the Spider-Man, which I'll show you guys real quick. Alright, so this is my new Spider-Man shirt right here. I got this last year at Brisbane Supernova, and I was like, yeah, I should buy Spider-Man shirt. But yeah, I like the logo as well, so black. And I could imagine if I ever do like a homemade Spider-Man suit, I would wear that shirt. Wait, my hands in my way. Yeah, that shirt right here. That way I could do like my very own homemade first suit of Spider-Man, like the human spider that Tobey Maguire wear or something like that. But yeah, all right. So that's my shirt I'm wearing for tomorrow, because I'm looking forward to wear my 2 Spider-Man suits at Gold Coast Supanova. So I'm really excited. I meant to wear them last year at Brisbane as well, but then once again my face shell was cracked. So yeah, got everything sorted. Now I gotta put it in my luggage. Alright guys, so I packed everything that I can pack for now. I still gotta pack more stuff for tomorrow until I fly in the morning at like 9:30. So yeah, so right now I'm just in my PC right now, currently editing some stuff, which I'll show you. Which, one more thing, if I posted a video of Spider-Man 2 a video of being in a rainbow suit while defeating Venom, and I just realized at the end wait, hang on. I'm trying to like, okay, there we go. I haven't like trimmed damn it, is it? I can't even like how to use with that different angle. Wait, hang on, let me fix it. Like this thing that I didn't cut it out. So I'm about to like cut that out because that was not meant to show at the end, and I forgot to end some like end screen as well, which I'm gonna add that as well. So yeah. And now it is done. The video editing is in progress now, so it will be all fixed by then, which is good. And hopefully they don't have to see through the end. Oh wait, oh shoot, I just realized I didn't have the end screen yet. Oh no. All right, well yeah, hopefully about a few minutes it's like finishing editing process, I will end the add the end screen onto it as well. So yeah. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end for this flight to Gold Coast vlog. Be prepared for the next one tomorrow, which I'll be flying to Gold Coast, and don't know what we're gonna be doing exactly, but yeah, I'm excited to see my best friend Zach, which he's also gonna be vlogging at the con. I'm not sure if he's gonna like vlog at the Gold Coast before the con. So yeah, but yeah, we'll be heading into Movie World as well on day 3, which is flight to Gold Coast as well. And yeah, just vlog at Comic Cons at Goldnova, and yeah, everything will be perfect and everything will be good. I'll try my best to like do some videos, because I also always do taking some pictures with some cool cosplayers around, and yeah, seeing some of my friends again, which I'm also excited. But anyways, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the post notification bell, and check out my social medias that I do cosplay content in the description below as well. And yeah, I think that's all I gotta say, really. Please make sure to tune in to part 2 to Flight to Gold Coast, or Goldnova, I don't know, whatever I call it. But yeah, but enough said, and keep being super. Mason out.